In this video, I'm going to give you the answer for task 10. And the task 10 was to review existing systematic literature review papers and identify their limitations and document them either in a paragraph format or in bullet points. So I have reviewed the existing literature reviews from my collection, and I have listed the key limitations from these systematic literature review papers. You can check the answers either on my website at vidypotdar.com or in the description of this video. I would like you all to have completed your limitations and all the other activities prior to this. So we are in the 10th day of the task of the day series, and we are working on the introduction section of your systematic literature review paper. And at this stage, we have created a robust justification for writing a systematic review paper. Okay, so this concludes the week 2 or day 10 of this series. If you are running a bit behind, or if you haven't completed some of these tasks, take the next couple of days over the weekend to complete these tasks so that we can start and progress further from next week. I hope you are having an enjoyable time learning with me, and do share these videos with your friends and others who are doing Ph.D. or MPhil or MBA or anyone who is doing research and wants to write a systematic review paper. Help me reach other people so that others can benefit from this coaching that I'm offering completely for free. All right, have a good weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye.